鏡の前ピタッと並ばされてこれがなって勝手に決められて柔らかい声出せるShe's hot What's up dumplings? Welcome to a Get Ready With Me Secretary of a Siren classes. That's how you know I mean business today.
It's not clocking to you that I'm standing on business, is
I will teach you how I do my daily makeup routine. I don't do this every day, but most days I do wear a rice face mask, so I'm gonna put it on right now. This is the face mask that I'm using today. It's very good. It's probably my favorite face mask ever. Gifted me. It's so cute. What a cute little Totoro towel that I have. This is what you actually need on airplanes. This whole thing. Here's my makeup, some video games, some vitamins. We offer all kinds of things in Eddie's room. So take a seat, chill, and watch me do my makeup. Yeah. First, we need to get this out of the way, and I have these two, which I'm gonna put on either side of my face. Favorite moisturizer ever, it's the Centella SPF one, and it's both moisturizer and sunscreen. I know you're supposed to use separately, but like I'm too lazy, so 2 in 1. Here we go. Like one little pump, pump. Look at how glowy I look. Do I look glowy or do I look greasy? That is the question. Is glass skin just looking greasy? Don't worry guys, I never forget about the 5 head. There's so much space to fill up here, so we need some extra for that. Good. Let's conceal those. I barely slept last night, and you can tell. NYX concealer serum. Look at how much I've used. This is ONT. Like, it's actually so good. And I'm sure this is the lightest shade possible. Pump a bit on my finger. It's more than a crush, more than likely. Is this concealer worth it?
Yes! It's so cool.
Yes. Yes, sir. This is definitely worth it. I was doubting it too. I had my doubts, but it's actually good. The green for pimples. I use the red for areas that look quite veiny. And then this is like the one I use for everything. I like to use small brushes. Like, they're not like the other girls. Look at how small and tiny they are. I love them. They're so cute. They're so small. What? This one under the eye. This is for my girlies that like low effort and just go with the flow. Normal one, just a little bit on the chin. I do have a scar here from I'll do story time one day. I was very dramatic. I slit my chin open. Foundation, you have 2 choices, yes or yes, or in this case Passion one or this Chanel one. Now this is pricey. I find that it's worth it. I just started using it. It's really good. So this is the one I tend to use every day. As you can see, it's like very used. This is my favorite cushion foundation ever. In her we trust. This is a new discovery I made. I wanted a very light foundation that looks more like a serum, and this is what this is. This is what this is. Water Fresh Complexion Touch. So it's basically like a serum and foundation in one. You pump it. Pump it. It has like see-through parts because it's serum mixed with foundation. Comes with this brush and it looks so much better when you use the brush. Look at how cute it is. Mix it with some of yeah. Oh, you got me walking side to side. Yeah, I've been on Arianka side of TikTok. I thought everybody was on that side of TikTok, then I keep realizing they're not. I need to catch a reality check. Touch some grass. I have been live streaming all the time these days, so I've not touched grass. Sometimes you do foundation with a brush and you can see the strokes of the brush. Yeah, this doesn't do that. Eyebrows, I'm really lazy. I just use this. I do shave my eyebrows like almost every day because they used to be much bushier than that. I use all of these for my eyes, but I swear I just overcomplicate things. It's very simple. Paris pencil, and it's just a brown pencil that I like to use as like the outline and smudge it out a bit. We get a little bit messy with this one. I use this brush to also fix my eyeliner, a dark brown shade. Sometimes I take a brown liquid eyeliner as well and I just add it on top. I just basically stack up eyeliner on top of eyeliner. Literally nothing comes out anymore. One thing that I learned about me this year is that I love fatty brushes.
Like, she's huge, but she's so beautiful. She's a mammoth, of course.
I love fat brushes, I love fat lip liners, I love fat eyeliners. So I went to Kiko and I found this glitter eyeshadow stick and it's fat. I love it. Just put it here, like the 𝐒𝐤𝐢𝐚𝐥𝐬 bit, center of the nose, just at the top of the nose bridge. Pa, pa, pa. Don't actually have a highlighter. So there's these two highlighter shades on this palette. Actually put it here for a little extra glow under the eyes. On the nose. Here. Wow. Yeah. I did that. I actually don't put this on every day, but I'm gonna put it on today for you. It's literally just like a Kiko glitter thingy. That looks pretty. I got this from YesStyle and it's much better than the Primark one that you used to use. Best mascara ever. Kiss me? I would kiss her. Never comes off. Like you need a special oil cleanser to get this off. Look at them. Wow. I'm gonna stretch my legs. Got a little bit because it goes a long way. Dub, 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 dub. Dior. Ah! Now, glowy stick, transparent, or at least that's the shade that I got it on. See that? What am I missing? Oh my god, lips. I still have no lips. These are my latest lip obsessions. Now, I've been loving the Ink Velvet in 23. I know it looks kind of dark, but when you put it on the lips, it looks lighter. You need lip balm. I don't know how people put lipstick on dry lips. I could never. I have this Heart % lip liner and I heard this is what a lot of idols use. It's not that popular on TikTok, I don't think, or anything, but I use this shade to contour. As I said, I like it when the pencils are Kiko 1 and 03. Look at her butt. Oh my god. Do the same. I'm not very precise. I just kind of love her so much. Mrs. Dabney. I mean, like, you can't see how strong it is. Depends on how much you put on there. Now you're presented with two choices again. One of them is the Romance Lasting Gloss for Milano and 07. I look so stupid. Got a little glow up. We're done, baby. Sometimes I do put on fake eyelashes and I usually use individual ones that I just add at the very end. Today I'm not doing that because this is a daily routine and we don't have the time to do that every day. I do bleach my eyebrows and I did it in one of my live streams. And when I bleach my eyebrows, this is the bleach that I use. You have to be careful, you have to know what you're doing. For the bangs, I don't know this every day, but I do have this Ant Honey Matte Make stick. It smells like sakura. It really glues them gentle when you use it. It's kind of good for flyaways too. Outfit review in 3, 2, 1, 8. Actually, never mind. I want to show you the outfit process. So, I have these jeans that are a little bit too baggy, but when you fold them, they have like a really cute pattern on them. Look at how cute they are. Dun, 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 dun. How's this? Good? Good. And I like how... Favorite necklace is from Pound Cat. It's from a cat charity in Korea, and I put my own little engraving on one side, and then you have Linus cats on the other side. Gel necklace that I found in Spain. This lovely lady sold it to me. Oh my god. Yeah. My twin's big like Tia Tamara. Let me switch the language. She's hot. This is the bag that I'll be taking with me to work. I take it to work every single day because it fits everything, and inside we have books, food, wallet, fridge, everything. I bring everything everywhere with me. I'll leave it here, and then we have this charm that I got in somewhere in Japan. Before I go to work, I don't need to eat though, so let's go eat. Eat, 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 eat. I did remember to put some rice in the rice cooker, so that's what we're gonna take out right now. Tell me why I got this feeling. Look at this. Because most people are scared of paranormal activity, but I feel like fruit flies are more scarier than paranormal activity, don't you think? Guys, I got this in Kyoto and it's so good. We have rice with egg, tuna, seaweed, kimchi. Basically, I'll be at work all day. I need to be well fed because I won't be eating when I won't work. So, ta-da! Yay! I love being in the jungle. Me when I try to feel like Bretman Rock in Scotland. Goodbye. What does ASMR stand for? Huh. Audio? Wait, ASMR. ASMR. Audio, sound. We are the sound machine. Ah! The perfume I'm wearing today.